And so we begin simply by allowing ourselves to become comfortable right here where we are. To feel the room around us, the movement of the air in the room, and the coolness of the breeze. We allow ourselves to become fully present in this moment. To know that whatever is occurring right here and right now is divinely perfect. That we can let go of concerns, of worries, of fear. And we allow ourselves to journey from our head down to our heart. And as we rest in this heart space, we choose to be grateful in this moment. Grateful for the presence, the power that we have found, that we have remembered, that we have reconnected with. Grateful for a growing awareness of this presence and its activity in our lives. Grateful for the truth that has led us to journey inward in this moment. And so, right here, right now, right where we are, we simply pause in the stillness and the quiet as we allow ourselves to feel that gratitude for Spirit, as we allow ourselves to open up to Spirit's guidance, as we sit in the stillness and simply radiate the light that we are, as we rest in the silence. Remaining in that place of gratitude, we feel the music drawing our awareness back to this place, this time. Carrying with us the knowledge that this power, this presence, this light that we have encountered in the stillness is with us always. And so we make our commitment, our intention in this moment to go forward from this day, this experience, shining that light into all that we do. And so it is with that gratitude in our heart that we say, "Thank you, Spirit." And so it is.